Hello, in this video you will see a demo of the People portal, where we will walk through some of the basic navigation and the main features of the portal. Let's get started. On the top menu, you will see the main navigation menu where the Home tab is highlighted. In this menu there will be different options depending on your role. You should see a tab for Myself and People Cycle. If you have direct reports, you should also see a My Team tab. Now let's walk through the Utilities menu in the top right-hand side of the screen. At the top next to your name, you can click Log Off to log out of the portal. We recommend logging out each time you leave the portal. You can also see Work Items. This is where you can access your Sharp Inbox work items for workflow approvals. The number will tell you how many work items are in your Sharp Inbox for you to complete. You can access your work items by clicking on the number. The Favorites menu is also available to bookmark your favorite portal pages. You can quickly access and manage your favorites list by clicking here. If you have technical issues, you can click on IBS Support to log a ticket and request technical support. The Home icon will take you to your Home intranet page. And then here in the search box, you can type in a selection to quickly find pages or transactions in the portal. Let's say I want to find where I need to go to update my bank information. Then you just click on the search result to navigate to that particular section of the portal. Let's walk through the other sections in the main landing page. The main landing page is designed for you to quickly access frequently used actions and information. In the column on the left, first you will see the work items. This includes a summary of the work items that are in your inbox to be processed. You can click on Execute Work Items to process approvals. You can click on Process Overview to check the status of requests you have submitted or processed. The bottom half of the left bar contains news and announcements. This will be updated periodically to include reminders of important news and events. The second column includes several commonly used actions that you can quickly access and launch. For example, in Quick Links, you can access and update your targets here within the portal. You can click on Update My Development Plan to navigate to the OPR tool and update your development plan. You can click on Complete and View Training Records to go to LMS, our learning management system. Or you can click on View My 401k to go to the 401k site. The My Favorites section includes the pages that you have specified as your favorites in the Utilities menu. You can also manage your favorites list here. The Forms Finder includes the People Portal forms that are available to you based on your role. For example, managers should see options such as Request to fill a position or Request a new position. You can launch directly into the transactions listed here by selecting the form you want to launch. Finally, the last thing you'll see in the second column is the AB InBev Org Chart Viewer. This includes the entire AB InBev organization chart with all reporting relationships and org structure information for the company. Now in the third column, you can see upcoming events such as birthdays and service anniversaries for your team. This section will also include reminders about specific activities coming up in the People cycle, such as reminders on when the monthly target updates are due. This last column contains your personal information. You should see your photo, name, and address. You can update this information at any time by clicking here. You will also see a read-only display of your work information, including your position, manager, and employee ID. If this information is incorrect, you can click here to submit a form that will request a correction. At the bottom of the screen, there is a People Cycle menu with several icons that represent the different activities in the People Cycle. If you click on any of these icons, it will take you to a page about that particular topic. For example, let's click on Targets. As you can see, there's additional information that's displayed about the target setting and cascading process. This page also includes resources and links and information such as training and job aids that you can explore to learn more about target setting. Additionally, there's an interactive component on many of the pages that you can click on to learn about the different steps in the process and the associated resources and links for that section. If you have direct reports, you will also see additional information on most of the pages that explains your responsibilities as a manager for executing that process for your team. Now the next thing to show you is the Myself tab. This is where you can access more information and transactions for yourself. Along the left-hand side, you will see menus with additional topics such as My Career and Competencies, My Targets, My Learning and Development, and so on. If you click in any of these menus, it will expand to show the actions that are available for that section. Then you can click again to collapse. Each of these menus also has a page with additional information and resources. Let's click on the My Learning and Development menu as an example. As you can see, the landing page includes more information and resources about this topic. In the left hand, we can expand to show the actions that are available. And then in the content area section, you can see additional resources and links about this topic. You'll notice at the top, the Learning and Development page is highlighted. This menu corresponds with the topics on the left-hand side. You can also click on these top menus at any time to navigate to the different pages within the Myself tab. Now let's go back to the main landing page by clicking Home. The final feature to show you in this demo is the Help icon. This icon appears on most of the pages in the forms and in all portal forms. If you're in the middle of completing a form and you need assistance, there will be information here to help you, such as demos, job aids, and other supporting documents. All right, now that you've seen a demo of the People portal, we encourage you to take some time and go explore it for yourself. Good luck!